Mumbai trains on WR to be affected due to block in Virar-Vatana section. The block will be in place to carry out maintenance work at bridge number 90 between Virar-Vatana section. A block between Virar and Vatana for bridge maintenance work would affect several Western Railway trains. The block will be in place from 22:50 hours on May 24th until 4:50 hours on May 25th, 2024. This will result in trains being cancelled, partially cancelled, rescheduled, and regulated. In order to carry out the work of replacement of steel girder by PSC slab at bridge number 90 between Virar-Vatana section, blocks will be taken. The block will be from 22:50 hours to 4:50 hours on the intervening night of the 24th or the 25th of May 2024. Due to this block, few Western Railway trains will be cancelled, partially cancelled, rescheduled or regulated, and one passenger train will remain cancelled, said a press note released by Western Railway. Cancelled trains. 1. Train number 93,035 Virar-Dahanu Road local on the 24th of May, departing at 21:20 hours. 2. Train number 93,038 Dahanu Road Virar local on the 24th of May, departing at 22:45 hours. Partially cancelled trains. 1. Train number 19,426 Nandurbar Borawali Express will terminate at Boisar. 2. Train number 09090 Sanjan Virar Memu will terminate at Dahanu Road. 3. Train number 09089 Virar Sanjan Memu will be cancelled between Virar and Vangaon. 4. Train number 09180 Surat Virar passenger will terminate at Dahanu Road. 5. Train number 19,101 Virar Bharuch passenger will be cancelled between Virar and Dahanu Road. Regulated trains. 1. Train number 93,002 Dahanu Road Churchgate local on the 25th of May will be delayed by 50 minutes. 2. Train number 93,004 Dahanu Road Churchgate local on the 25th of May will be delayed by 50 minutes. 3. Train number 09284 Dahanu Road Panvel local on the 25th of May will be delayed by 50 minutes. 4. Train number 12,952 New Delhi Mumbai Central Rajdhani Express will be delayed by 1 hour. 5. Train number 12,297 Ahmedabad Pune Duronto on the 24th of May will be delayed by 3 hours. 6. Train number 12,228 Indore Mumbai Central Duronto Express will be delayed by 1 hour. 7. Train number 19,038 Barauni Bandra Terminus Awadh Express on the 23rd of May will be delayed by 3 hours and 5 minutes. 8. Train number 22,946 Okha Mumbai Central Saurashtra Mail on the 24th of May will be delayed by 3 hours. 9. Train number 12,978 Ajmer Ernakulam Marusagar Express on the 24th of May will be delayed by 3 hours. Thus, train number 22,928 Ahmedabad Bandra Terminus Lok Shakti Express on the 24th of May will be delayed by 2 hours and 30 minutes. 11. Train number 19,218 Veraval Bandra Terminus Express on the 24th of May will be delayed by 2 hours and 30 minutes. 12. Train number 12,928 Ekta Nagar Dadar Express on the 24th of May will be delayed by 2 hours and 30 minutes. 13. Train number 22,944 Indore Dawn Express on the 24th of May will be delayed by 2 hours and 30 minutes. 14. Train number 14,701 Shri Ganganagar Bandra Terminus Amrapura Aravali Express on the 23rd of May will be delayed by 2 hours and 15 minutes. 15. Train number 12,900 to Ahmedabad Dadar Superfast Express on the 24th of May will be delayed by 2 hours and 15 minutes. 16. Train number 12,962 Indore Mumbai Central Avantika Express on the 24th of May will be delayed by 1 hour and 40 minutes. 17. Train number 12,956 Jaipur Mumbai Central Superfast Express on the 24th of May will be delayed by 1 hour and 15 minutes. 18. Train number 09084 Dahanu Road Borivali Memu Special on the 25th of May will be delayed by 1 hour and 10 minutes. 19. Train number 14,707 Bikaner Dadar Ranakpur Express will be delayed by 1 hour. 20. Train number 12,218 Chandigarh Kochuveli Kerala Sampark Kranti Express will be delayed by 1 hour. 21. Train number 20,944 Bhagat Ki Kothi Bandra Terminus Humsafar Express will be delayed by 1 hour. 22. Train number 12,268 Hapa Mumbai Central Duronto Express will be delayed by 1 hour. 23. Train number 12972 Bhavnagar Bandra Terminus SF Express will be delayed by 1 hour. Passengers are requested to note these changes and plan their journeys accordingly.